Most people think a beautiful green yard means endless mowing, watering, and fighting with dying grass. But what if the secret to a lush, evergreen landscape isn't grass at all? What if there are plants that grow 3 times faster, stay green all year, and require almost no maintenance? Today, we're revealing 15 powerful ground covers that can transform any empty space into a living carpet, naturally, effortlessly, and beautifully. Grass may look classic, but it's one of the most demanding plants you can grow. It struggles in shade, burns in heat, and constantly needs mowing, fertilizer, and water. Ground covers, on the other hand, spread on their own, stay low, and thrive where grass fails. Whether you want a low-maintenance lawn alternative, a solution for shady areas, or a plant that fills empty spaces fast, this list has something for every garden. And if you're new here, welcome to the Garden Sage, where we turn gardening into a simple, beautiful, and stress-free experience. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss the smart plant choices that modern gardeners rely on.
Creeping Thyme. Creeping Thyme is one of the most reliable and visually appealing ground covers you can grow, especially if you want something that spreads steadily without becoming invasive. It forms a dense, low-growing carpet of tiny leaves that release a gentle fragrance every time you walk across them. This plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it ideal for pathways, borders, and open spaces where grass struggles. What makes Creeping Thyme so effective is its ability to handle heat, drought, and foot traffic better than many traditional lawn plants. During summer, it produces a blanket of purple or pink flowers that attract bees and other beneficial pollinators. While it spreads naturally, it does so at a manageable pace, allowing you to shape it the way you want. For gardeners looking for a low-maintenance, aromatic, and visually striking alternative to grass, Creeping Thyme is a dependable and rewarding choice. White Dutch Clover. White Dutch clover has become increasingly popular as a lawn alternative because of its resilience and natural soil-improving qualities. Unlike grass, which often requires fertilizer, clover enriches the soil by fixing nitrogen, helping nearby plants grow healthier. It stays green even in poor soil conditions and tolerates moderate foot traffic, making it suitable for open yard spaces. Its small white flowers add a soft, natural charm to the landscape and attract pollinators without overwhelming the garden. Clover spreads steadily, filling bare patches that grass often fails to cover. It also requires less water than a traditional lawn, making it a practical option for gardeners who want a greener yard with less maintenance. While it doesn't create a perfectly uniform lawn, it offers a natural, meadow-like appearance that many homeowners find refreshing. If you're looking for a plant that stays green, supports soil health, and reduces overall yard work, White Dutch Clover is a smart and sustainable choice. Creeping Jenny. Creeping Jenny is known for its vibrant golden-green foliage that instantly brightens shaded or partially shaded areas. This plant spreads quickly, forming a soft, trailing carpet that works beautifully around ponds, under trees, or along pathways. Its rounded leaves create a smooth, flowing texture that adds movement and color to the landscape. Although Creeping Jenny grows rapidly, it's easy to manage with occasional trimming. It prefers moist soil, but can adapt to different conditions as long as it receives some shade during the hottest part of the day. In summer, it produces small yellow flowers that blend subtly with its foliage. Gardeners appreciate Creeping Jenny for its ability to fill empty spaces and soften hard edges in the garden. Whether used as a ground cover, in containers, or cascading over walls, it brings a lush, ornamental quality to any space. For those seeking a fast-spreading plant with bold color and minimal care requirements, Creeping Jenny is an excellent option. Blue Star Creeper. Blue Star Creeper is a delicate yet durable ground cover that creates a soft, low-growing mat of tiny green leaves. Its most striking feature is the small, star-shaped blue flowers that appear throughout the growing season, giving the plant a charming, fairy garden look. This plant thrives between stepping stones, along pathways, and in small open spaces where a traditional lawn may not be practical. It tolerates light foot traffic and adapts well to both sun and partial shade. Blue Star Creeper spreads steadily, filling gaps and creating a smooth, uniform surface without becoming overly aggressive.
Because it stays close to the ground, it requires very little maintenance beyond occasional watering during dry periods. It's a great choice for gardeners who want a soft, flowering ground cover that adds subtle color without overwhelming the landscape. If you're looking for a plant that blends beauty, resilience, and practicality, Blue Star Creeper is a reliable and visually appealing option. Ajuga. Ajuga, also known as bugleweed, is a versatile ground cover valued for its rich foliage and striking flower spikes. Its leaves come in shades of deep green, bronze, and purple, adding year-round color to the garden. In spring, Ajuga produces tall blue flower spikes that rise above the foliage, creating a dramatic contrast. This plant spreads through runners, forming a dense mat that helps suppress weeds naturally. It thrives in partial shade but can tolerate full sun in cooler climates. Ajuga is especially useful under trees or in areas where grass struggles due to limited light. While it spreads efficiently, it remains manageable with occasional trimming. Gardeners appreciate Ajuga for its ability to fill difficult spaces while adding texture and color. It's a dependable choice for borders, slopes, and shaded areas that need visual interest. If you want a plant that combines beauty, durability, and low maintenance, Ajuga is an excellent addition to your landscape. Moss. Moss is one of the most unique and low-maintenance ground covers available, especially for shaded, moist areas where grass simply cannot grow. It forms a soft, velvety carpet that brings a peaceful, woodland feel to the garden. Moss requires no mowing, fertilizing, or complex care routines. It thrives naturally in the right environment. This plant prefers consistent moisture and shade, making it ideal for areas under trees, along forested paths, or in naturally damp corners of the yard. Once established, moss spreads slowly but steadily, creating a smooth, cushion-like surface that feels soft underfoot. Gardeners appreciate moss for its simplicity and for its ability to transform difficult spaces into serene, green landscapes. It also helps reduce soil erosion and provides a natural, calming aesthetic. If you're looking for a ground cover that thrives where most plants fail and requires almost no maintenance, moss is a timeless and elegant choice. Sedum. Sedum, commonly known as stonecrop, is a hardy, drought-tolerant ground cover that thrives in hot, dry, and rocky conditions. Its fleshy leaves store water, allowing it to survive long periods without irrigation. Sedum comes in many varieties, offering a range of colors, textures, and growing habits. This plant spreads gradually, forming a dense mat that works well on slopes, rock gardens, and areas with poor soil. During the growing season, sedum produces clusters of small flowers that attract pollinators and add subtle color to the landscape. Because it requires minimal care, sedum is ideal for gardeners who want a reliable ground cover that can handle tough environments. It's also a great option for reducing erosion on hillsides. With its resilience, visual appeal, and adaptivity, sedum is a practical and attractive choice for low-maintenance landscapes. Periwinkle. Periwinkle, or Vinca minor, is a fast-spreading evergreen ground cover known for its glossy leaves and charming purple flowers. It thrives in both sun and shade, making it one of the most versatile plants for covering large areas. This plant spreads through trailing stems that root as they grow, forming a dense mat that helps suppress weeds naturally. Periwinkle is especially useful on slopes, under trees, and in areas where grass struggles due to limited light. Its flowers appear in spring and continue sporadically throughout the year, adding gentle color to the landscape. Gardeners appreciate periwinkle for its reliability and ability to adapt to different conditions. It requires minimal maintenance once established and provides year-round greenery. If you're looking for a plant that spreads efficiently, handles shade well, and adds a touch of color, periwinkle is a dependable and attractive option.
9. Liriope. Liriope, often called lily turf, is a grass-like ground cover that offers a clean, structured appearance without the maintenance demands of a traditional lawn. Its long, arching leaves create a neat, flowing texture, and in late summer, it produces spikes of purple or white flowers. This plant is highly adaptable, tolerating sun, shade, heat, and drought. It spreads slowly through clumps, making it easy to control while still providing reliable coverage. Liriope is commonly used along driveways, walkways, and borders to create a polished, professional look. Because it stays evergreen in many climates, Liriope provides year-round visual interest.
Gardeners value it for its durability, low maintenance, and ability to thrive in challenging conditions. If you want a ground cover that looks tidy, handles tough environments, and requires minimal care, Liriope is an excellent choice. 10. Creeping phlox. Creeping phlox is a vibrant, flowering ground cover that creates a stunning carpet of color in spring. Its dense mat of foliage spreads steadily across slopes, walls, and open spaces, making it ideal for adding visual impact to the landscape. During its blooming season, creeping phlox produces masses of pink, purple, blue, or white flowers that attract pollinators and brighten the garden. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, spreading at a moderate pace that's easy to manage. Gardeners appreciate creeping phlox for its ability to transform ordinary spaces into colorful displays. It's especially effective on slopes where its roots help stabilize the soil. If you're looking for a ground cover that combines beauty, resilience, and seasonal color, creeping phlox is a standout choice. 11. Irish moss. Irish moss is a soft, cushion-like ground cover that creates a smooth, velvety surface. Its tiny green leaves form a dense mat that stays low to the ground, making it perfect for pathways, stepping stone gaps, and small garden spaces. In spring and summer, Irish moss produces tiny white flowers that add a delicate touch to its lush green carpet. It thrives in cool, moist environments and prefers partial shade, although it can tolerate some sun with adequate moisture. Gardeners value Irish moss for its neat appearance and ability to create a polished, uniform look. It requires minimal maintenance beyond occasional watering during dry periods. If you want a ground cover that feels soft underfoot and adds a refined, elegant texture to your garden, Irish moss is an excellent option. 12. Lamium. Lamium is a fast-spreading ground cover known for its striking silver-patterned leaves and colorful blooms. It thrives in shade, making it ideal for brightening dark corners of the garden. Its flowers, which appear in shades of pink, purple, or white, add a soft, ornamental touch. This plant spreads quickly but remains manageable with occasional trimming. It adapts well to different soil types and provides reliable coverage in areas where grass struggles. Lamium's unique foliage adds texture and contrast, making it a favorite for woodland gardens and shaded borders. Gardeners appreciate Lamium for its ability to thrive with minimal care while offering year-round visual interest. If you're looking for a ground cover that brings color, texture, and resilience to shaded areas, Lamium is a dependable and attractive choice. 13. Pachysandra. Pachysandra is an evergreen ground cover that excels in deep shade. Its glossy green leaves form a dense mat that suppresses weeds and provides year-round color. Pachysandra spreads gradually through underground stems, creating a uniform carpet over time. This plant is especially useful under large trees or in areas where grass cannot grow due to limited light. In spring, it produces small white flower spikes that add subtle interest. Pachysandra requires minimal maintenance once established and adapts well to different soil conditions. Gardeners value Pachysandra for its reliability and ability to create a clean, polished look in shaded landscapes. If you want a ground cover that thrives in low-light environments and requires little care, Pachysandra is a practical and attractive option. 14. Asiatic jasmine. Asiatic jasmine is a tough, fast-spreading ground cover that forms a dense, glossy carpet of dark green leaves. It thrives in full sun to partial shade and tolerates heat, drought, and poor soil conditions. This plant spreads horizontally, making it ideal for covering large areas with minimal maintenance. While it doesn't produce showy flowers, its foliage provides a clean, uniform appearance that works well in both residential and commercial landscapes. Gardeners appreciate Asiatic jasmine for its durability and ability to handle challenging environments. It requires occasional trimming to maintain shape, but otherwise grows reliably on its own. If you're looking for a ground cover that offers strength, coverage, and low maintenance, Asiatic jasmine is an excellent choice. 15. Dwarf Mondo grass. Dwarf Mondo grass is a miniature grass-like ground cover that creates a clean, modern look. Its narrow, dark green leaves form small clumps that gradually spread into a dense, low-growing mat. This plant thrives in partial shade and adapts well to different soil types. It requires very little maintenance and never needs mowing, making it ideal for borders, pathways, and minimalist garden designs. Gardeners appreciate Dwarf Mondo grass for its neat appearance and ability to create a refined, structured landscape. It spreads slowly but steadily, allowing for easy control and shaping. If you want a ground cover that offers elegance, simplicity, and low maintenance, Dwarf Mondo grass is a stylish and dependable choice. Summary. These 15 ground covers show that you don't need a traditional lawn to enjoy a beautiful, green landscape. Each one offers its own strengths, whether it's thriving in shade, handling heat, reducing maintenance, or simply adding beauty where grass struggles. Whether your yard receives full sun, deep shade, or a mix of both, there's a ground cover here that can thrive in your conditions. By choosing plants that spread naturally and require minimal care, you can reduce maintenance, save water, and create a more sustainable outdoor space. From the fragrant blooms of creeping thyme to the glossy resilience of Asiatic jasmine, these ground covers provide practical solutions and lasting beauty. If you're ready to transform your yard into a lush, low-maintenance environment, start with the plants that match your climate and your style, and let nature do the rest. Thank you for spending your time with the Garden Sage, where we explore smart, simple, and inspiring ways to make gardening easier for everyone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of garden lovers. I'll see you in the next video where we continue uncovering the plants and ideas that help your garden thrive one smart choice at a time.